Welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel. Here's your host, Dee.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our channel. This is Dee from D&D Gardening, and today is part 2 of our Spring Sprout series, Plan, Prep, and Plant. So today we're going to be prepping our raised bed and possibly a couple of grow bags that I have, maybe not, maybe just the raised bed at this point. And we're going to be prepping it in preparation for spring, so when it gets here we can just go on and start planting things and it'll be ready. So come along. In preparation for the bed, I am going to, and I'm getting my hands dirty, get my fertilizer ready. Now, in case you have not seen the video that when I put the soil and compost in that bed already, that is what is currently in that bed. There is nothing else but compost and potting soil. I am going to add to that. There we go. Now that I've gotten it open, this is 10-10-10 that I had left over from when I fertilized. So I'm just going to add that, or add some in there. And I'm going to add some more blood meal and bone meal. Now what I did not bring out here, yep, I didn't bring it out here, were my worm castings. I'll add those at the time of planting. You know, blood meal adds nitrogen and bone meal adds, what does bone meal add? Phosphorus. I am also going to add this Dr. Earth's Actually, let me just add all of what's left of this. Because it wasn't that much left. And now, let me dispose of my trash, clean up my area. Okay, so now that I've got everything in here, I'm just mixing it. And we're going to head over to the raised bed. Okay, Now, I am going to add all of my fertilizer, not all of it, but the fertilizer to this bed, and then I'm going to mix it in, and I'm going to cover it with a box that I have cut up, and I'm just going to wet the box to keep on top of this, and that is going to protect it from freeze and all of that, and it will also keep the nutrients inside of the soil and keep the rain and ice and snow and everything from washing the nutrients all the way down and washing them out. So when it comes time to plant, I still have the fertilizer in place so it's not used up, if that makes sense. Now what I'm just currently doing is just kind of ruffling up the soil so I can get the fertilizer worked in. And I think I've said before, I'm more of a hands-on kind of person. I like to get my hands in it. That lets me know I've got a good distribution of product. All right, now fight with this lid and get away from the dust cloud. And I'm just gonna start piling it in. And I may end up using all of this. And I'm just working it in. Yep, I'm gonna end up using it all because I'm gonna put another layer in here. And try to get this evened out as much as possible. Okay. That's it for this bed. Now, here's an Amazon box, you know, from my favorite store. And I am just going to spread it out like this, Or am I going to do it like this? I have a bigger box. Hang on for a second. Uh-oh, if I can get up. Okay. Let's see if this will cover it better. I'll end up using both. Alrighty. Get those covered. And now I need to find something to hold these down. And there we go. This bed is now ready for spring and some seedlings. That is it for our prep video of our spring sprouts series, and it is that simple. You just prepare your bed using, if it's a raised bed, potting soil, some compost, or cow manure, and fertilizer, and you cover it, and that's it. Easy breezy, right? So thank you for joining me on this series. Part 3 of this series should be coming soon, and that is the plant portion of the series. I am already dropping seeds for spring, and I've actually run out of space on my grow stand. So I'm going to have to convert one of my storage shelves into a grow stand because I don't have any more room. And I've got a whole lot of other seeds that I need to get planted. So thank you for joining me. So stay tuned for that and look for that video. So thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your 5th time viewing our channel, please consider subscribing. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a video. Always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until the next video, take care. Bye.